Welcome to the second lesson about intervals. We are going to explore the smallest interval in Western music, the half step, or in the Queen's English, a semitone. This smallest of intervals was used to represent the terror of a great white shark. So though it is small, it is mighty. On the piano, half steps or semitones are the distance between any white key and a neighboring black key. But it is also the distance between these pairs of white notes with no black key in between. Grab your ukulele, let's get your fingers going, and let's do this together. On the ukulele, half steps or semitones are found on neighboring frets. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G. This is true for every string. Here it is on the E string. A flat, G flat, F, E. You can also do half steps or semitone intervals between the strings, but this is where you get some irregularities. On a low G ukulele, the fourth fret on that G string is a B, and a half step higher is your open C string. That's pretty easy. If you're playing a high G ukulele, well then the fourth fret, which is a B, goes to the 12th fret of the C string. So you might as well just stay on the G string and go from the 4th fret to the 5th fret. If you're dead set on changing strings and you've got a high G instrument, you could play the 4th fret on the G string and then go to the 3rd fret of the A string and have a half step. See what I mean about irregularities? Things are much less complicated on the C string. The 3rd fret on the C string goes to an open E string. So a D sharp to E, or going down, E to E flat. There is a semitone or half step between the 4th fret of the E string to the open A string. So it goes A down to A flat, or in reverse, G sharp up to A. Do you remember the lesson on the chromatic scale? The chromatic scale, every interval is a half step. Or to put it another way, the chromatic scale is made all of semitones. Are you ready to test your knowledge? I've got a quick quiz down below. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell too. It helps support this channel. And if you're a ukulele player and want rewards and to support my charity efforts, join me on Patreon. If not, you can buy me a cup of coffee or share a super thanks. Or if you're done for the day, imagine yourself playing the Pink Panther theme, which has lots of semitones or half-step intervals. I'm a real person with a really cute dog who loves going for a ride.